आल्दोणेच्या लायन्स क्लबान ऑर्गॅनिक किचन गार्डनिंग ह्या शिबिराचे आयोजन केले। ह्या सुवाळ्याक आल्दोणेचे आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो आणि लायन्स क्लबाचे पदाधिकारी हाजीर असले। ह्या शिबिरांत 70 लोकांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। आरडी सोसायटी आल्दोणेच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस।
आल्दोणच्या लायन्स क्लबान एक ग्रोईंग व्हेजिटेबल्स एंड प्लांट्स ऑर्गॅनिकली इन पॉट्स म्हणून हो कार्यक्रम घडून हाडलेलो आहा आणि ह्या प्रोग्रामान ते दाखयतात की कोणेय आमी झाडां दवरलांक जाय, फळांची झाडां जावं, भाजयेची झाडां जावं आणि स्वाद पासून ना जाल्यार आपणाच्या टेरेसाचेर वो बॅल्कनीचेर वरांडाचेर हें घालूंक शकतात। आणि जो कोण एकदम लकी आहा की तांकां जागो आहा घरा भोंवतणी त्या जमनीनूय घालूंक शकतात। आणि हातून योगिता आनी करण मंडळान सारके प्रत्यक्ष प्रॅक्टिकली कशी जमीन तयार करपाची, कशी काळजी घेवपाची, खंयची झाडां लावपाची, कोही लावपाची, मिक्सर करपाचें हें सगळें दाखयल्लें आहा। हांवें आमच्या जी कोण हाजीर आसा तांकां किडी आनी रोग जाता पळय ते कशे वखदां वापरी नासतना सोंपेपणी कमी करूंक जाता पळय ते मातशें हाचेर थोडक्यान म्हायती दिल्या। आनी फुडाराक गांवचोच म्हणटकूच कोणूय म्हजे म्हाका मेळूंक शकता आणि तांकां कसलें मार्गदर्शन जाय जाल्यार आनी सुबेज म्हायती जाय जाल्यार हांव दिवंक शकता।
हे फर्स्ट टायम तुम्ही ऑर्गनायज केला?
हे लायन्स क्लबान म्हाका दिसता पयले फावटी हांगा हे भाशेन ऑर्गनायज केला।
कितें रिस्पॉन्स कितें?
रिस्पॉन्स हांवें पळयला पळय तो एकदम बरो आसा, कित्याक जवळ जवळ 60-70 लोक आसा।
This workshop on organic farming and growing fruits and vegetables in pots, so that people can have this benefit to grow these fruits, vegetables in their own balconies if they don't have proper garden space. Balconies, patios, terraces, they can grow these vegetables, fruits, flowers in pots. And we are slowly shifting from a fertilizer-based manuring to an organic manuring, and from using chemical pesticides to natural methods of pesticide. This will only enrich, our own health and also the health of our environment. Today, so many diseases are caused by chemical adulteration of these fruits and vegetables. And to avoid this, it's better to have your own kitchen garden, your own this thing, and more importantly, to have an organic garden, because this is healthy and it's the order of the day.
Kitchen garden has to be encouraged, and it is so important in today's life, because we all know that today vegetables that are being purchased from from different states are probably not that healthy as it should have been if we had to do it ourselves. So today the experience going on, workshop is being carried out, and if we are health conscious today, we all know that a lot of people are falling sick, a lot of sicknesses are there on the plot. Every family has a problem because of lifestyle. So it's important if we give a little time and have the organic kitchen garden in our own homes. People should come forward and take a little trouble, sacrifice time, and also teach our youth or children to get into this system of having organic garden.